Hi Fresno Unified students. We are taking a different approach to distance learning the next few weeks. You will not need a method book for these lessons. You will be receiving video instruction, the video instruction you're watching right now on YouTube, and a PDF of each exercise that I'm going to be going over. In these videos, I will walk you through the steps to learn each exercise so you can be successful. We will cover key signature, time signature, rhythms, and note names. Then you will hear what it sounds like on a real instrument and get an opportunity to practice. If you don't have an instrument, that's okay. You can clap and count rhythms, and you can review note names and airplay your instruments. Hi, advanced violin players. We're going to start this week with exercise 1. This is a treble clef. Everybody say treble clef. Now, treble clef is the clef that violins are in. Now let's move to key signature. Your key signature has 2 sharps in it. When your key signature has 2 sharps, that tells you all F's and C's are sharp. What does that tell you? All F's and C's are sharp. One more time, what does that tell you? All F's and C's are sharp. So when you have 2 sharps in your key signature, all F's and C's are going to be sharp. That means if the F is here, if the F's up here, if the F's all the way up here or down here, doesn't matter. Wherever the F is, F's are always going to be sharp. Same with C's. C's are always going to be sharp, whether they're here, down here, or up here. So all F's and C's are going to be sharp. Now let's move to the time signature. This is your time signature. Right now you're in 4/4 time. When you're in 4/4 time, the top 4 means there are 4 beats in a measure. Ladies and gentlemen, what does the top 4 mean? There are 4 beats in each measure. What does the top 4 mean again? Good, there are 4 beats in each measure. Now the bottom 4 tells us that the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time, what does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. So when you're in 4/4 time, there are 4 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 beat. Now what I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is I'm going to show you how to figure out the rhythm for each exercise. Then I'm going to clap and count the rhythm. Then you're going to listen to me. You're going to practice on your own. Then we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it by yourselves. So let's look at this. First, we have a half note and another half note. Half notes, by the way, are 2 beats. So we have a half note here, a half note here, then another half note. Then we have 2 quarter notes. Quarter notes are 1 beat, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have 4 quarter notes here, 2 quarter notes, and a half note. Then we go to the bottom line. We have a half note here, a half note here, a half note here, then 2 quarter notes, then 4 quarter notes, and a whole note. Whole notes are 4 beats, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm going to clap and count this now. I want you to listen to me and then practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please practice that on your own. All right, when I count to 4, let's clap and count this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do? If you got all or most of it right, congratulations. Give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. If not, keep practicing. The really cool thing about YouTube is you can always rewind. So now that we've got the rhythm down, actually go ahead and try that on your own. Good job. So now that we've covered the rhythm, we're going to go over the notes now. If you're not sure how to identify notes, I invite you and encourage you to go to Music with the Dunlops, the current music channel you're on, and I want you to click on the first lesson on note names and the staff. There you will get tips on how to identify notes better, and it'll be a good review for you. We're going to go over the notes now. Starting here, we have a half note F sharp, a half note E, a half note E, a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note D, a quarter note F sharp, and we know they're F sharps because the key signature tells us all F's and C's are sharp. So this is an F sharp and that's an F sharp. So we're starting here. F sharp, we have a quarter note G, a quarter note A, a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note A, a quarter note B, and a half note A. Then we go to the second line. We have a half note C sharp, and it's C sharp because the key signature tells us all F's and C's are sharp. So C sharp, half note D, half note C sharp, quarter note B, quarter note A, quarter note F sharp, quarter note D, quarter note E, quarter note F sharp, and a whole note D. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to say the notes in the rhythm of the song. I want you to listen to me, then I want you to practice, and we're going to do it together. F sharp, E, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, A, B, A, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, D. Please practice on your own, then we'll try it together. All right, let's try it together. I'm going to count to 4, then we're going to come in. 1, 2, 3, 4. F sharp, E, E, F sharp, D, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, A, B, A, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, F sharp, D, E, F sharp, D. How did you do? If you got all or most of it right, give yourselves a pat on the shoulder. If not, keep practicing. Now I would like you to try that by yourselves. Now let's move on to exercise 2. So exercise 2, once again, we have a treble clef, and we have 2 sharps in our key signature. That tells us all F's and C's are sharp. Which notes are sharp? All F's and C's are sharp. One more time. What notes are sharp? All F's and C's are sharp. Good. Now we're going to move to the time signature. The top number tells us there are 4 beats in the measure. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in the measure. One more time. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in the measure. Now the bottom 4 tells us the quarter note gets 1 beat. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. One more time. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. All right, I'm going to go over the rhythm with you. Then I'm going to clap and count it. You're going to practice and you're going to do it with me. So we have a quarter note here, a quarter note here, a half note here. Then we have 4 quarter notes, a half note, 2 quarter notes, and 2 half notes. Then we go to the second line. 4 quarter notes, a half note, 2 quarter notes, a half note, another half note, and a whole note. I'm now going to clap and count the rhythm. I would like you to listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now try it on your own. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go over the notes. We have a quarter note D, a quarter note D, a half note F sharp. Now we have a quarter note G, a quarter note A, a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note G, half note A, quarter note B, quarter note C sharp, and we know this is C sharp because of the key signature. A half note D, a half note D, quarter note C sharp, quarter note B, quarter note A, quarter note G, half note F sharp, we know that because of the key signature, quarter note G, quarter note A, half note F sharp, half note D, and a whole note D. Now I'm going to say the notes. I want you to listen, and then we're going to try it together after you practice. D, D, F sharp. G, A, F sharp, G, A. B, C sharp, D, D. C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp. G, A, F sharp, D, D. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together when I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, F sharp. G, A, F sharp, G, A. B, C sharp, D, D. C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp. G, A, F sharp, D, D. All right, please try it on your own. All right, now we're going to move on to exercise 3, our final exercise of the week. Once again, we have our treble clef and our key signature. We have 2 sharps. Which notes are sharp when there's 2 sharps in the key signature? All F's and C's are sharp. Now our time signature. What does the top 4 tell us? There are 4 beats in a measure. What does the bottom 4 tell us? The quarter note gets 1 beat. All right, let's go over the rhythm. So we have a half note here, 2 quarter notes, 2 half notes, 4 quarter notes, 2 quarter notes, a half note. Then we go to the second line. 4 quarter notes, a half note, 2 quarter notes, a half note, another half note, and a whole note. I'm going to clap and count the rhythm. Please listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and practice on your own. All right, let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, please try it on your own. All right, now let's try going over the notes. So we have a half note D, a quarter note D, a quarter note C sharp, 2 half note Bs, then a quarter note A quarter note G, a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note E, a quarter note F sharp, a quarter note G, and a half note A. Then we go to the second line. Quarter note A, quarter note C sharp, quarter note D, quarter note C sharp, half note B, quarter note A, quarter note G, half note F sharp, half note D, whole note D. Now I'm going to say the notes and the rhythm of the song, and you're going to listen. You're going to do it with me after you practice, and then you're going to do it by yourself. D, D, C sharp, B, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, D, D. All right, go ahead and practice on your own. Let's try it together. When I count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, C sharp, B, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, D, D. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please try it on your own. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to hear what all 3 exercises sound like on the violin. This will help you when you're practicing.
Today I'll be playing our violin exercises for you. This is exercise 1. exercise 3.